Hello guys, I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to, create a solid wallet to keep your Solana and all other tokens that is, built on Solana ecosystem or Solana network. Without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. So, you want to go to your web browser. In this case, I'm going to be using my default web browser. So on the address search bar or the search bar, you type in solid.io. Let me try to grab my pen to make life easier. So yeah, you type in solid.io and then you go. So normally it's gonna load a page like this. It's gonna say, do you want to create a wallet? It's gonna give you that long phrase and what else. Yeah, basically just create a wallet. Because I already created a wallet, to create a wallet is very simple. Okay, so you just basically input your password and then you make sure you save the phrases, keep it somewhere safe. So for me, like, I don't even know where to save my phrase. Like the only place I think it's a little bit safe, which is not so safe, is my Google Drive. So I use Google Drive to save my phrase. And yep, you can, if you have a safer place to keep it, just put it there. Basically, I don't want to waste time on that. So I'm gonna unlock already. Let's assume that I already just created my wallet, and then I'm just gonna unlock my wallet. So these are basically the tokens I got. Today I got 50,000 Atlas, which I used $69 to get, right? But now I only sold 50% of the 50,000, and hopefully the remaining 25,000 is not gonna turn to dust. But if it does turn to dust, it's okay. I already took out 50% anyways, and that gave me about like almost $1,700 US, and that's okay. So now what you want to do, if you want to buy anything on Solana network, you want to make sure that you have Solana, because that's what you're going to be using as your token of purchase. Does that make sense? Yeah, just the same way you use Ethereum as gas fee when you're buying on Ethereum platform, or when you're buying Ethereum based token, or when you're buying Binance based token, BNB based token, you use BNB to make the transaction. So the same way with this as well too. So you will use Solana as the gas fee when you're buying anything that is Solana based. So Raydium, Corp, Atlas, Fader, SRM, all of them are Solana based tokens. So for example, now if you want to get Raydium, if you want to get Ray, not Raydium, the platform is Raydium, but Ray is the name of the token, or the ticker for the token. So what you want to do is select well, you can just select a new tab on your phone, and I'm just going to select this one. That's the same tab. Hold on a second. I'm just going to select the one that doesn't have Raydium. So in the address bar, just type in Raydium, Raydium.io. It's gonna put it there, Raydium.io, and then boom, go. So when that opens up, it's gonna ask you to connect. Just open it. Yeah, it launches. Nice. So when you enter Raydium.io, this is gonna open up launch. So you select launch app, and when you select launch app, this interface is gonna come up. So there are actually two ways to go about buying Raydium. There are actually a lot of ways to buy, but I usually use Raydium, right? I usually use Raydium interface, Raydium platform to buy any of my, Solana based token. So if you want to buy Raydium, I usually just go to Raydium to buy Raydium. So the first thing you want to do the second thing you want to do once you're on the Raydium platform is you want to select this connect button, like you always do with all other, hold on a second, I'm trying to hide this. Yeah, like you always do with all other wallets. So you want to connect it. Once you select that, it's going to bring a pop-up molder, and the pop-up molder has a lot of different wallets that you probably have an account to. So, but I don't have account to all this other wallet. The math wallet no longer done. I only have Solid Web. So I'm going to select Solid Web, and that's going to pop up a new tab that's going to prompt me to unlock my Solid wallet. And once I select that, it's going to just pop up this allow this site, basically asks for access, so I can select this automatically, but a lot of time I just leave it like that. I switch it off, and then I just select connect. When that connects, it's gonna connect my Solid wallet, web wallet, to the Raydium platform. So now I want to buy Raydium. There are two ways to go about it. It's either you use the DEX, this interface here, or you come to the, the top right corner here and select the hamburger menu. The hamburger menu is right here, okay? So you want to do that. When you select the hamburger menu, you see swap, liquidity, pools, farm, staking, accelerator, and trading, migrate. So you can select trading as well too. So because I want to make this this tutorial really what's it called, how do I put this? I don't want to. Okay, so because I want to make it like really detailed, so let's use, but at the same time I want to make it simple. So you know what, I'm just gonna show you the two. So now if I want to buy Raydium on this on the Raydium platform, the DEX, I'm just gonna put, I'm just gonna do, because I want to buy Ray, I'm gonna do from USDC to Ray. So this, I'm gonna use this button here. This button here, I'm gonna use that. Once you select it, it's gonna flip. Oh shit! So when you select it, it's gonna flip. The from and to token. So now when you select this from select token, you select USDC. USDC. If it's not coming up, it's gonna take some time to come up. It's right there. I'm gonna select USDC, and then right here, I'm gonna enter token. I'm gonna enter amount of Ray I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 50 Ray. So I can just come here. If that is not selecting because I'm using my phone, I'm probably just gonna do here and enter the USD equivalent of Ray I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy $600 worth of Ray. So normally it should auto-populate. I should auto-populate the amount of Ray I'm gonna get here. I said pool not found. I don't know why it's saying this. So a lot of time, so this is exactly what you're going to do. So normally it's supposed to pop up the amount of Ray that you're getting, but if it's not coming up, so what you want to do now is go to the top right corner. I usually use the trading anyways. I love the trading platform. So I go to the trading and then it's probably going to ask me to connect. Yeah, right there. So I have to connect again, just the same way you did for the DEX. So I'm going to select unlock. It's going to ask me the same thing. I select that, and then just going to move this up a little bit. So right here, I want to select the token I want to buy or I want to sell. So let's say I want to buy Raydium. So I select this, and then I'm gonna type in Raydium USDC pair. It's already there. I'm just gonna select it. Once selected, and then you come to this. You can enter any amount of Ray worth of USDC worth of Ray that you want to get. But usually what I do is I want to buy maybe 50%. I'm gonna drag it, or maybe 100%. I'm gonna drag it, or you can just enter the amount manually. It doesn't really matter. Okay. So if I enter the total amount, which is 100%, it's gonna give me 95.6 Ray. So recently I just got 50 Ray, and I'm looking to like just settle it. So usually when you buy anything on Solana, on Solana platform or using any of their DEXs, we have the Ray DEXs, we have the SRM, we have the bond feeder, etc. So if you are looking to buy anything on those platforms, you have to do something we call settle. Just because I already got some Solana, some Raydium, I added to my Raydium. Just because I already bought some Raydium, so let's assume I'm buying 50 Raydium, 50 Ray. I don't know why I love calling it Raydium. So let's say I'm buying 50 Ray, okay? So this is 50 Ray. Let's say I do the limit buy. So the limit buy is gonna just, open an order for me, and then it's gonna wait till somebody else pick up the 50 Ray I'm trying to buy, pick up the dollar amount that I put in for the 50 Ray. Once picked up, it's gonna display here wallet balance and the amount of wallet balance of Ray right here. Where's my pen? Where is it? I can't find it anymore, but that's okay. So right there, it's gonna display the what, right? Let me just use the this dot. So it's gonna display right here. You can see asset is Ray, the token account. That's the account that you use it to buy. Is USDC. So it's gonna display the amount of Ray that you're buying here, 50. If it's so okay. Now I think my Ray has been okay. Yeah. So I put in the order for Ray. Like I said, I already bought Ray, so I'm not buying this again. So thank God my order has gone through. So somebody pick up my USD amount, and gave me a rate, right? So once that just literally came in. So as it comes in right now, so you see the settle button underneath. You can see on settle balance. You're not gonna see it in your wallet until you select settle. So I'm gonna go ahead and select settle. And the same pop-up is gonna ask for your approval. Do you really want to do this? As usual, I'm gonna select okay, go. And then it's gonna do this, yada yada yada, confirm, and boom. This is gonna turn to 0 pretty soon. This right here is gonna turn to 0. So it's gonna go from here to here. You can see I now have 50 Ray in my balance. So which basically just nullify this one. This is gonna become 0, and this is now settled. This is not deposited in my wallet. I'm gonna show you my wallet. So basically that's how you do it here. That's how you do it here. I mean, if it's not clear, you guys should just go ahead and ask questions. Okay. Okay. So just to walk you through some other things that you can do on Ray platform, on Raydium platform. So again, every time you refresh in your phone or even your computer, it's gonna ask you to reconnect. So I'm gonna connect again. Okay, right here I'm gonna select unlock button, connect, and this is connected. Now what I have to do is let me see here. No, not come there. So I literally just want to go from, you know, trading to all the other ones. So I'm just gonna select Raydium here. If I select Raydium, if that's not going through, I'm just gonna come to my address bar and type in Raydium, raydium.io, and just select go. Sorry guys, if it seems like I'm skipping, hold on, sorry, I don't know why it's not going. I'm just basically just multitasking. I'm working right now as well too, so I'm keeping an eye on my work email. I don't know why it's not going through. Let's try one more time. If it doesn't go through, I'm just gonna back it up. So I'm just gonna back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Well, it's not allowing me to back up more than. Okay, let's go back to this. So I'm gonna refresh this, gonna ask me to reconnect. So I will try to reconnect. So let's select wallet, select web, unlock, connect. All right. So if you want to do any form of okay, I'm just quickly gonna walk you through, no worries. So now accelerator here, if you guys can see this, accelerator is what we use for the IDO sales on the Raydium platform. All right, like the start atlas, all you literally have to do is just scroll down. You scroll down to see which of the token they wanna do sales for. So I have Atlas, I have Police, I have Grape. So if you scroll to the left, because I'm using for, I'm not going to be able to see the full extent of the whole thing. So if you scroll to the left, you're going to see ended, which means they've completed their IDOs. But this one is upcoming right here. I think I share it in the group. So if you want, you can research a little bit more about it to see how much allocation you will get and what are the requirements to buy that. So for Atlas, all you have to do is just select this one, select Atlas, the first one, and then it's gonna give you some kind of like a few tier to enter the number of tickets you want to get. Normally you have to literally just take before you can get on the sale on what's it called, on Raydium sales. You have to stake. So I got 1 ticket for Atlas. You can see here it says I am eligible for 1 ticket. I deposited 1 ticket, and when I won 1 ticket of Atlas, right? And that is gonna give me 50,000 Atlas, and that's my allocation. That's what I want. I did the same thing for Police, but it didn't win. I posted it into the group. So, what else to do here? So in terms of where you want to stake, so now that I have I added 50 rate to what I already to the 50 rate I got earlier. So I'm gonna go back to staking. You can see I already have 57 stake. The pending reward is 0.82. Well, it doesn't really matter to me. I basically just want to add more, so I'm gonna select it. When I select that, it's gonna ask me if I want to harvest or if I want to stake more array. So I'm gonna do let's do staking. So because okay, let me quickly show you guys. Because I'm using phone, so everything looks jumbled together. Okay, so but I already have I just initially staked 50 ray. So the 7.6 rate that you're seeing right now is what I actually accrued on the the staking platform, and I'm still accruing it. I have it there since like 3-4 months ago. So right now I'm trying to stick more rate, so I'm maxing it out. So I'm gonna confirm it. It's gonna come up here again. Approve. Okay, approve. Transaction has been sent. Okay, confirmation is in progress. Transaction has been confirmed. Stake 50. So right now I have 107.63, which means I probably gonna, in their next run, I'm probably gonna like qualify for more than one ticket in the next run, right? So the penalty reward is, I don't know why I did that, but yeah, that's okay. So basically that's how you stake to qualify for the IDOs. Okay, so in order to show you this liquidity, I don't even go there at all. The farming, I don't do all those LP and all that. I just take. That's what I do. I do trading, swap sometimes, but I don't, because I can do swap in my Solid wallet. I don't do it here. And then accelerator. Accelerator is where you buy the tokens, the IDOs. Now I'm trying to buy OXS. So there's another token called OXS. That's what I'm trying to buy. That also has it's also a launch pad. If you guys know about OX Bull, I'm just gonna, OX Bull is a launch pad on Binance, and OXS is a launch pad on Solana. But right now we got an update on OXS that they are trying to bridge it with Ethereum as well too. So OXS is gonna be a good buy. Something like I can't find it here on the trade. Okay, so if I can't find it here, I'm gonna, okay, that's because I've not really connected my wallet. But let's see. I'm gonna try to, let's find it. OXS. If it's not there, I'm gonna try to go back to let's see. I'm gonna go back to swap. Hopefully I find OXS here. If it's not there, I'm gonna go find it elsewhere. Seems like it's not there. I think I have to add it here. But yeah, that's pretty much what I want to show you. But if you have any question, just go ahead and ask me. There's a way you can add token on, you know, the Ray platform or Solana network as well too. Maybe that's gonna be one of the things, one of the videos I'm gonna make in the nearest future. So I know this video is a little bit long, but please do endeavor to watch. Yeah, thank you. Bye.